Hello, I'm Christopher Button, and welcome to the video on how to create a contract reviewer powered by Ollama and Gemma2. In each video, as always, I teach people how to optimize their workflow by automating different tasks based on GenAI and AI to get ahead of their peers and get the next promotion. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever spent hours reviewing contracts only to wonder if you missed an important clause or potential error? What if I told you there's a smarter way and a faster way to handle this task? Meet Contract Reviewer, an open source LLM-powered application which allows you to upload a contract by simply selecting it and letting the LLM, in this case Gemma2, do the rest of the task. Whether you are a legal, professional, CFO, or business manager, this tool will help you to ensure compliance by identifying errors and saving valuable time. So stick around with me. I will show you how it works and how it will transform your workflow. Before we dive into the solution, here's what you will need to follow along. Python, Ollama, and Gemma2 from Google, and then Streamlit and some basic Python knowledge. If you got all this, great. If not, don't worry, I will cover you and I will explain you how to achieve the results you saw before and to bring this idea to life. So, in order to create this application, start by importing Ollama and Streamlit, and afterwards you create your predefined rules. Something like checking the company name, the contract duration, late payment fees, automatic renewal, liability, or termination. You can add as many as you wanna, but we kept it simple, here as always. 6 rules to analyze the contract. Then afterwards, you're importing Ollama and you're creating your model with your prompt in order to assist the analysis of the uploaded document later in the process. We'll tell him something like your compliance assistance, follow the document, analyze it, for each rule check if it's complied or violated the rule, and if so, highlight at the end the text, and return everything in the format of a JSON so we can analyze it. Afterwards, we just inject the whole document into the model, it will analyzing it, and it will return us the result. Then this time we again package it in a Streamlit application, very simple, a title, a subtitle, possibility to upload a document. And then afterwards where the document is highlighted, which we uploaded so we can see actually what's inside. And then we are actually asking the model to analyzing it. And then just visualization of the results, if compliant or violated. And that's it. So this time we are using Gemma 2.2, Gemma 2. We can also use Llama 3 or any other open source LLM. Then we just pass the results and then we visualize it within our application. That's it. Few lines of code gives you that result you saw earlier. So now let's dive in, back to the demo and see how and what we really get. Let me show you the contract review in action. I upload a sample contract, as you saw here, and a defined rule of check will check for non-compete clauses and payment deadlines. And there it is. Within a few seconds, the AI highlights sections that violate the predefined rules and even suggests improvements. Now imagine applying this to multiple contracts in an organization. It's a huge time saver and ensures consistency across all agreements. See, first rule applied, company name is Toto. The second rule applied, contract date doesn't exceed 45 days. And then all the other rules are violated because of a certain misleading information inside the contract. This would normally take hours, hours and hours. And here within seconds, we have the results. Nicely structured and understandable by the analyst. Contract Reviewer is a truly game changer for anyone working regularly with contracts by leveraging GenAI, especially here in this case, Ollama and Gemma2. You can reduce errors, ensure compliance, and save countless hours of manual review. But remember, human stays in the loop, it will always validate what the GenAI told you. And if you like more to know about AI or GenAI, which can transform workflows, check out AI Finance Club, where we discuss cutting-edge technologies, tools for finance and business questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my Substack newsletter, AI and Finance, for hands-on tips, projects, and insights. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your network, and see you next time.